Hi guys, welcome to my channel and welcome to today's video and welcome to today's circus, because today we have another person in the house who might be making different sorts of noises, might be jumping from different places, so you will be entertained that way as well. And I will also be showing you things that I've purchased from Amazon. So I got some sweaters that I have to show you guys. Then I've purchased some skincare like a face cleanser, which I'm finding really nice, and a face moisturizer, which is amazing. So let's quickly get started. I'm going to start with the skincare first. So the first is this. This is CeraVe Foaming Cleanser, and this is for normal to oily skin. I have tried a lot of face cleansers, but when I tried this, I thought maybe this is the one with which I can settle for a really long time, because this is very good. It's gentle. This is also recommended by the dermatologist quite often, I believe. I have a friend in London and she started using CeraVe way before it got launched here in India, and she actually benefited a lot from the range of CeraVe. So I was very glad when it was launched in India. So I got a sample bottle first, like a smaller bottle, a cleanser first. I tried it. I really liked it. So I got the bigger bottle from Amazon. It was, I think, affordable on Amazon. It was on a sale for around 1200 rupees or 1300 rupees. I don't really remember. But this is, I think, 450 ml of bottle, which is good. I'm not even joking, guys, when I'm telling you that you can see some circus stunts over here, which can amuse you really. So I really like this. Is, I think, 480 ml or 450 ml, and this is really good. And then I tried their moisturizer. This is CeraVe moisturizing cream. If you are new on my channel, let me tell you, I have an acne prone skin, I have oily skin. Good, I'm using this non-stop and I'm actually benefiting a lot from this cream, so I might buy a bigger bottle of this one. And this is very good, like for the winters, and I think in general as well. It's a very nice cream. Then the third thing that I got is this one. This is an eyeliner. I go through my eyeliners like anything because I love applying eyeliner like on top of my eyelid. This is very good. This is Slick Flick by Makeup Revolution London, and I have been a fan of Makeup Revolution London as a brand. I have their eyeshadow makeup palette. I have their banana powder. I have a lot of products from Makeup Revolution London, but in particular I really like their eyebrow palette. I'm using that, and I really like their eye makeup products in general a lot, and I really like this one as well. It's a very jet black eyeliner, which is matte, and it is super long lasting. Of course, it does not smudge and all of that, and it is very pigmented, like very pigmented. You actually feel a stark difference when you apply the eyeliner. Today I'm just wearing a normal kohl pencil on top of my eyelids, but this one is very good. It's a pen liner and it is just so amazing. This was, I think, for around 200 rupees or something, so I picked this one up because I really go through my eyeliners very quickly. Those were the three very important things in my life that I purchased: an eyeliner, a face cleanser, and a face moisturizer. Now I'm going to show you the sweaters that I got. Okay, I'm really excited to show you guys, but these are very basic sweaters. Do not expect that anything is going to be very fancy, but these are things that I actually wear, and I got brands that I really trust. Basically, I love Levi's for their hoodies and sweatshirts, but I also got some basic sweaters for light layers, that not only look very good but also is very helpful when you have really cold winters. Like, winters are cold, but these days when it is rainy and very dark and gloomy, I really like to layer a lot. So I picked up this really nice sweater from Levi's, and this was very much marked down on Levi's. This is originally, I think, for 2,999, but I got it for, I think, around 850 rupees. It's a very fine knit sweater, and it is green and white striped. Anything striped is my jam. I really like it. It is full sleeves, of course, and it just hugs your body. It is very comfortable if you want to just throw a jacket on, because it does not feel very bulky inside but also keeps you warm. So this is the first sweater that I got. Then on the same line I got another sweater which I feel is very basic, a black and a white sweater, or maybe a skivvy like a thing that you can wear inside. I got this one. I picked up this one, but I feel they also have a black one in this one. I'm pretty sure they have a black but with a logo of Levi's over here. This one does not have a logo, but I love the softness of this particular sweater. It is just so soft and it just feels so cozy inside. It keeps you warm, but it does not give you that bulkiness, which I hate in sweaters. Honestly, I do not like when my arms feel kind of rigid and I feel that I'm kind of stranded in sweaters, in layers of sweaters. This one is great. Just one sweater on and you can be inside indoors. But if you want to go out, you can just throw a jacket on and it's just going to make you feel very comfortable. I love this sweater. And this is 3/4 length sleeve. So this is also kind of unique. I do not have a 3/4 length sleeve ka sweater, but it is very soft and it is very, very comfortable. You can simply dress it up, dress it down, depending on how you accessorize it. But it's a basic sweater, which I really need to have all the time in my wardrobe for my winter wear. So yeah, I picked up this. Then I got another sweater from Levi's and it is this one. Now this is a no, it's not a cardigan, it's a half sweater which is slightly cropped, you know, and this is kind of really cute. I paired this particular sweater with this half sweater on because not only of course it provides layers, so it keeps you warm, but it also is really young and peppy and fun and also keeps the arms free, which I think is really good. So I picked up this one. This was so much marked down. I think I paid around 500 or 600 for this one, for this sweater, because it was really, really marked down. I picked up size medium in this, and this is kind of a crop sweater, so it's going to go really well with anything that you're planning to wear. You can also, you know, throw a jacket on top of this and it is just going to keep you really warm and comfortable. Love the colors in this one. And yeah, I think I got a really great deal on this sweater. Moving on, a hoodie. Can you see? So that is the thing that I'm talking about. So that it's actually a table, guys. If you remember, there was a white table over here. The tabletop is missing because of course Mr. has broken the tabletop and now he actually sits inside of this, kind of like a frog or something. I don't know, whatever you want to say. So that's what I meant when I said that you might see some circus or amusement or something like that on this channel today. Yes. Now I'm going to show you this particular hoodie. I really like this hoodie. Again, this is from Levi's. I just loved the warm colors in this one. Beautiful, you know, mustard with brick. Very, very classic combination. I just simply love this hoodie because it is so comfortable. Just throw it on and it is the softest thing. Like, even though it looks like proper fabric, but it is so soft even inside of it. It has this fleece lining and stuff, so it's going to keep you warm. This was also very much marked down. I think 1100 ka kuch ka tha ye on Amazon. Not only that it looks very cute, it's going to keep you warm for sure. So I really like this hoodie. So I'm going to leave link of everything in the description box just in case if you want to check any of these things out. Last but not the least, guys, I'm going to show you this really beautiful cardigan. This is by Vero Moda. And I instantly fell in love with this one the minute I saw it. It's such a beautiful, it looks like it is crocheted, but it is really very finely, nicely knit kind of a cardigan, which has buttons in the front. There was black in this one as well, but I just picked up off-white. This one I loved. I mean, not just for the beautiful knitting, very fine knitting, but also for the design and style. You can just wear it open just like it is, or you can simply button it down and wear it. Just, I think I paid around 1000 rupees, but originally this is for 2899, and I simply love this sweater a lot. So guys, those were all the things that I had to show you in today's video. I'll probably see you tomorrow in another video of mine. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, make sure that you're subscribed. Just click on to that subscribe button here or there and give this video a like and comment in the comment section below anything that you want to say to me, anything that you've liked in this video. If you just want to come and say hi to me, please do that in the comment section below. And thank you so much once again for watching. I'll see you tomorrow. Take care. Bye guys. Bye.